Okay, we're going to take a look at these Romanda kitchen weighing scales. So let's take a look, see what's in the box. There's two different variations. We've got the silver one today, but there's a kind of matte black finish that you may be able to find. It wasn't on Amazon, but maybe somewhere. Okay, nothing else in the box. And here we've got some batteries. Not super cheap brand, so that's nice to see. Some of these come with awful batteries. Move those to the side, and then got the bag here containing the scales themselves. Take a look at those in a sec, and the rest are just some instructions. A fairly decent padding there to protect them in transit, and that's it. So let's take a look at the scales themselves. So they are about a depth of 3 centimeters, and the dimensions of the whole thing are 19 by 15. So 19 that way, 15 across. We've got the button to adjust the units, and this one to turn it on and calibrate it. Sort of reset it to 0 when you've put your bowl on top. Looking underneath, battery compartment. They talk about this warranty. I think it said on the inside of the box. Contact them for any quality problems within 5 years. So potentially a 5-year warranty on that. And that's their contact email address for that. And it can go up to 6 kilograms, weighs it in 1 gram increments. So let's put some batteries in it and see how we get on. Okay, so we pop the batteries in and it turns straight on. Obviously, if it's timed out, like it takes 2 minutes and then it turns itself off, you would press the power button and that would turn it back on. Now, it'll probably read like the wrong value when you first get it. What you need to do is just press and hold that button to calibrate it to nothing being on it. And then you can start popping items on. So let's test it with a pound coin, which should be 8.75 grams, I think it's supposed to be. So we'll see what it comes up to. So it's rounded that up to 9. So that's spot on, really. So let's have a look at an iPad Air 4. And that is 458 grams meant to be, and this reads it at 459 grams. Now yesterday when I tried this, it was on 458, so maybe that calibration has not quite worked as well as it could. And now after just turning it off and on again and then popping the iPad back on, it's reading the exact value that we have on the specs page from Apple. So yeah, it's not far off. I don't think a gram will make much difference here or there. So pretty accurate. The unit measurement down the side here can be changed, so we can go into pounds, ounces on their own, and millilitres. Back up to grams, and then 0 that, and that's zeroed it with the item on there. So if we take that off, it should read -9. Now it's zeroed it to nothing being on there. And because it's on 0 and you're pressing the power button, it turns it off. Turn it back on. So overall, I'm pleased with it. It's quite light, 320 grams for the actual scales themselves. They seem accurate, seems half decent. They're just a pair of kitchen scales after all, small enough to stick in a drawer or in a cupboard. So yeah, I'm kind of pleased with them. The display's nice and big and bright. And not a lot else to say about them. I'll let you know in the comments if I have any issues with these over the years. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.